Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Google not indexing your Shopify products. If your products aren't appearing in Google search, it can reduce your store's visibility and make it harder for potential customers to find what you're selling. The good news is that in most cases, the issue can be resolved with a few simple checks inside your Shopify store. Let's get started. First, log into your Shopify admin and go to Online Store, then Preferences. Scroll to the section where you can manage your store's search engine visibility. Make sure your storefront is not password protected if you're expecting Google to index it. If your store is still behind a password page, search engines won't be able to crawl most of your content. Next, open one of the product pages that isn't appearing in Google. Scroll down to the Search Engine Listings section and click Edit. Check that the product has a clear page title and meta description, and confirm that it hasn't been set to hide from search engines. A well-optimized title and description also improve the chances of your product ranking higher once it's indexed. Another important step is to make sure the product is available on the online store sales channel. Open the product in your Shopify admin and verify that it's active and published. If a product isn't available on the online store channel, Google won't be able to access it. You should also check that your product isn't a duplicate of another page with the same content. Write unique product descriptions instead of copying text from manufacturers or other websites. Original content gives search engines a better reason to index your pages. Next, submit your sitemap to Google Search Console if you haven't already. Shopify automatically generates a sitemap for your store, making it easier for Google to discover your products and pages. After submitting the sitemap, allow Google some time to crawl and process your website, as indexing doesn't happen instantly. If you've recently launched your store or added new products, remember that Google may take several days or even a few weeks to index them. This is completely normal, especially for newer websites with limited search history. Another good practice is to build internal links throughout your store. Feature products on your homepage, include them in collections, and link to related products where appropriate. Internal links help search engines discover important pages more efficiently. After making these changes, search for your product in Google using the Site operator, followed by your domain name and product title. If the page still doesn't appear after some time, check Google Search Console for any indexing errors or crawl issues that may need attention. Finally, continue updating your store with fresh content, optimized product descriptions, and helpful collection pages. Stores that are regularly updated tend to be crawled more frequently by search engines, which can lead to faster indexing over time. And that's it. That's how to fix Google not indexing your Shopify products. By making sure your products are published, optimizing your search engine listings, submitting your sitemap, creating unique content, and monitoring Google Search Console, you can improve your chances of getting your products indexed and discovered by more customers. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more Shopify tips and tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.